Boy, I tell you what, I sure thought there would be a turnoff long before now. Yeah, dear. Yeah, dear, yes, I'm right here. What do you...
I think I need to get some gas soon.
Oh, you know, we had the chance to get gas about 30 miles ago. I told you needed to gas up. Well, you know, I think there might be something coming up soon. Maybe one of those taxicals. I tell you what, boy, it's... Yeah, there's a lot of cactus. We're in the desert, you know, and it's pretty hot. I tell you what, it is hot out here. It is H-O-T hot. I tell you what.
There's a tortoise, Bob.
A tortoise. Oh, look, there's a feller over on the side of the road. He must have been out there for a while.
No, a little uncomfortable or tad warm or anything like
Boy,
that.
I tell you what, it is hot.
Don't pick up hitchhikers, Bob. They say on the news.
Well, he's not hitchhiking. He's just over there in the dirt, and I tell. Oh, now it's raining on us. Now it's raining.
Oh dear.